This looks like something that they just came up with for you to put on your face. I don't know what that's for. What's going on, you guys? For y'all that don't know, for y'all that do know, my name is Ashley and I'm back with another video. So first of all, hello March. Hello March. It's a new month. Today is Wednesday, March 1st. And yeah, so I'm just gonna jump into the video. I have my first Ipsy delivery. I've never done Ipsy, but I got my first Ipsy Glam bag. So this is just an unboxing kind of thing, unbagging, if you will. So let me see, I got all the goodies, and this is for February. This was February's Glam bag, and March's has not been delivered yet. So I'm gonna start with this. I don't remember what I ordered. This is cute. So it comes with, this is super cute. This is a little cosmetic bag, and it comes with a little postcard. So this says, February 2023, you are loved. Buy yourself flowers, wear a fragrance that makes you smile. Give yourself a compliment for trying that new lip color. Created by designer Dime Jones, this month's bag is a reminder that you deserve to be spoiled because self-love is the best love. Super cute. Oh, it comes with affirmations. How cute is that? Okay, so let's get into what's in this bag. Branded, it says Ipsy. But this little design is super cute. Let's get into the goodies. Okay. I think this is highlighter. This is Formula Z mini highlighter in the color Mega Yacht. That's super cute. I don't know if y'all can see that. That's really pretty. Oh wow. Can y'all see that? That's pretty. Okay, Clinique All About Clean Liquid Facial Soap. Mild. So are these all sample sizes? I don't know if this is a full size or not, but this one is a sample size for sure. Okay, but we got a face cleanser. That's cute. Oh, on the bag it says self-love is the best love. That's so cute. Okay, what's this? I can't see. Oh, this is a liquid lipstick in the shade, I can't see with this. Can you see it? Because I cannot. I can't see with this glare on this thing. Okay. It said, I know this don't say. Oh, it says lunar lipstick. I'm like, this is not liquid lipstick. Lunar lipstick. This is a pretty color. Let me see see if I can swatch it. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, that's pretty. Can y'all see that? That's really pretty and really pigmented. That's a really nice red. I like that. Girl. All right, what else we got in here? This is eyeshadow. A sample eyeshadow, of course. By Unfiltered Beauty Co. And I guess it's the Wake Up Call palette. And the colors in here are Cuddle Me, Morning Glow, 5 Minutes, and Coffee in Bed. This is very much like my go-to kind of color palette for eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use that. And my birthday this month. Well, I'm gonna use that on my birthday. Tomorrow my birthday. It's not, but you know that. This is by Tony Moly. A watermelon. What the hell is this? Oh, Dew All Over Serum. This looks like something that they just came up with for you to put on your face. I don't know what that's for. And then that's all that's in the little Glam bag. And that's it for that. But I think when I signed up for the Glam bag, they're like Refreshments. I got like a free trial of the Refreshments, so I got some of that too. I think that's what that other bag is. I made a mess. Yep, so this is super cute, like a satin drawstring bag. Oh, that's interesting. Very contrast. I like that. Okay, I don't know what's in here either. Ooh, full-size stuff. This is full-size. What is this? This is the Refreshments Luscious Hand Cream in Citrus Spritz. Ooh, what does this smell like? Oh, look at the... Oh. Oh, I like that. That is refreshing. I like that. That smells great. And this is the Refreshments Refreshments Cleansing Face Wipes. This is a lot of wipes. There's 30 in here. There's only 30 in here. This looks like an 80 pack of freaking face wipes. But this, what is this for? I mean, never mind. Face wipes. But, okay, and this also comes with things. So it says, show us how you get funky. Who doesn't love a little solo party? Share your proudest, quirkiest, glammest me time moments with Refreshments Party. Ooh, they gave me stickers. I love stickers. I love that. And they're iridescent. Love that for me. Refreshments skin, hair, and body care made better for all. So as you run out of stuff, basically, they'll refresh your supply. That's cute. But I got a Target up the street, so... And I don't actually use face wipes all the time, and I don't think I got a chance to choose what came in it. So these are convenient. I'll use them because I have them, but I don't actually buy them. So for March, since this was a free trial, I canceled before they put me on the membership because I didn't want to pay for this because it's extra to the Ipsy membership. Yeah, I'm one of them. I am. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for my Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. How many items are in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items, 5 small sale type items, except for this lipstick. Came in this and potentially this. I don't know what size this actually comes in. Plus an actual makeup cosmetics bag. So that's 6 items for, I think my membership total is $15, like $15.50 or something like that, because the subscription is $13 and then it's a $2 processing fee. So it's like 15, 16-ish with taxes and all the fees and stuff for this. Now that's pretty good because any of these items at like a Target can easily cost 15 bucks. So I think that that's a pretty good deal. The Refreshments, this stuff was free. If you're new to Ipsy and because you'll get the free trial of the Refreshments, make sure you cancel if you don't want to continue within the 30-day period, as I did, but they will send you email reminders. And Ipsy sends you email reminders prior to sending like your second, and your following up or your continued subscriptions. They remind you. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to read through the papers and things now, but I don't really need to do that on camera. But I just wanted to make sure that I come and I touch base with you guys because I haven't seen you in a couple of weeks and you haven't seen me in a couple of weeks. And last time I said that was going to change, but February was a roller coaster month. January to February was just like this. So we're just going to see what happens. And hopefully I see you guys more regularly, but I'm not putting too much pressure on myself. But if you want me, please let me know that you want me, so then I will feel more motivated and have, put in more effort to be more disciplined to give you guys what you want. Okay, if you like this kind of video, I've noticed that my unboxing and haul type videos do pretty okay. So, and I like doing this. I like showing people what I bought. If you like this type of video, like it. and comment and let me know which product is your favorite. If you've tried Ipsy, what are your thoughts on Ipsy? Because I'm waiting for my March glam bag now. And depending on how I feel, I may or may not continue. I don't know. It's something about the subscription things that just, I don't know. I don't know if I want to give you my money every single month. I don't know if I want to do that. But if you like it and if you've done it, then let me know if I should continue. Yeah. Okay, but that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.